How's it going, everyone? My name is Frank Ruiz, your San Antonio real estate agent. And today we're going to be out here at the Cinco Lakes Community off of 1604, just south of Highway 90. Now, this community has a few different home builders, and one that we'll be talking about today is MI Homes. Now, this home builder is offering a couple different incentives for buyers right now. So if you're looking to purchase a home, and if you like what you see in this home tour, feel free to contact me. My contact information is going to be in the description below. Now, before we go any further, if you're returning back to my channel, I want to welcome you back. If you're here for the first time, I want to introduce myself. My name is Frank Ruiz, a San Antonio real estate agent. And if you're looking at purchasing a home or relocating from a different city or state, or if you're just in the market to list your home, I'm here to assist you any way I can and just be a resource of information for you. So feel free to like this video, subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell, as I'll be posting new videos weekly highlighting the different communities within the San Antonio area. Now let's go check out this model home. Today we are going to be looking at the Freestone model by MI Homes, which is 1,687 square feet and features 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and a 2-car garage. What's great about this floor plan is that it has a flex room that can be upgraded to either a 4th bedroom, or you could choose to keep it as an open space. Now, if left as an open space, the area can be used as an office, second living area, or even a kids' play area. This is a great option provided by the home builder. If you like this home or would like to see any other homes this community has to offer, feel free to contact me. My information will be in the description below, and I hope you enjoy this tour.